Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Yeah, like I said, I don't know what that. Oh,
What? Do they not know this is a turn only? What? Do they not know this is a turn only? What? You that impatient, sir?
Jesus Christ.
Michael, stop.
Yeah.
Stop. Michael! Jack, leave it! Leave it.
Jesus Christ.
What the hell?
You can wait. Dumb. Sorry. I'm going to the back. Dumb old lady. We're going to the back so I don't, because now I got energy.
As advertised, so I wasn't mad at them, but it was jarring and not what I was expecting.
What the f was that? Holy shit, you
No, I love carrots. Favorite.
What is she doing? Oh my God. Going the wrong way. Oh my God.
For them to block them.
The punch by Larice ends up as the throw-in for St. Louis. Pompey trying to go real quick up the line, and there's a couple of balls on the field.
Positively wretched. I'm impressed. Good. Kaladin looked at his men. Drahe winced. Shalon wrapped Adolin in light.
He resolved into a sturdy, handsome man in his 60s with dark brown skin, white hair, and a lean figure.
Stupid fuck.
Dog.
But it didn't pass, so they make that one again. Bro.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.